Everyone, add 1 spoon of meat masala. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I add 1 teaspoon of paprika. Teaspoon of garlic powder. Add salt. 1 pieces of yogurt. Mix well. After that, I add olive oil. I add 1 lemon juice. I add ketchup 2 spoons. Mix well. Net 20 minutes. That I put inside air fryer. Leave cook 30 minutes or 40 minutes. 1 spoon of olive oil. Cook 20 minutes or 40 minutes. Keep it low so it does not burn. Turn the chicken over. I add olive oil. I add tomato. Have onion. As well, that I add cardamom. Add a bay leaf, cinnamon stick. All spices. I add tomato paste, 2 spoons of tomato paste. Then mix well. I add basmati rice I wash already. Then mix well. That I add water. Add Maggi cube. Mix well. Cover 15 minutes or 20 more water. Cover aluminum 1 minute. Then I add ghee butter. Cooking. Thank you for watching, everyone.